hope to just kind of frame me speaking about people development. It resonated with me, and it says, true development is about nurturing the seeds of potential in every individual and watching them grow into mighty trees of capability.